It was torture. Straight torture, son. First he put my nuts on the dresser. It was crazy, just my nuts. And then he banged them with the spiked bat, like, wow!
I'm in danger.
Hello. Today I got my rear seat delete for the 240. 40. Shout out to LIP Speed. I'm over here making a mess right now. Opening and shit. One thing I wanted to do, but I want that raw aluminum, so I got some doo-wop for that bit, you know, I'm fine. I'm fine, it might look good, I'm fine. That's real nice. Like that OEM look, even though there ain't no seat back there no more, you know what I'm saying? The hell they doing?
It's like Christmas over here every day. Run!
It doesn't take any drilling or anything like that. It's got a bag of stuff and bits. So yeah, starting with aluminum, and then with the damn carpet element. OEM Plus, baby.
Trimming this bitch up. It's gonna look ugly in the back. The back gonna look real ugly. Don't worry about the back though.
Hey, shout out 3M for making legit shit.
What?
Perfecto. And this product, man, cut holes for the, I poked some holes in it for the mounting screws. You see the sticker to the paper now. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Going in my drift car. Vroom, vroom. Let's bolt this mug in. Oh, it's dirty. Oh, it's dirty in this bitch. Yes.
One eternity later.
Got back and he said, you know how Larry's hair gets all fucked up when you start stressing out or you start doing drugs and all that shit? I was like, yeah, it's 3 times as worse.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So I'm in there bit putting the goddamn seat delete in. Man, I'm over here breaking clips, thinking that they gave me a whole bunch of spares out of the damn paperwork. That's a few more than 3. That's in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Gosh.
I'm fucked up. I broke a good bit of them shits. My damn shit. I mean these motherfuckers. With the Ace. I'm handed in. Snack sack. Yeah, hopefully these work. So these are the ones that it came with. And yeah, it was only 3 extras. And I broke more than 3. That's all of the ones, the rest of what Ace had. So they had to the sides. Hope this shit works. And this ace is empty.
Empty! Empty!
Alright. Sweating like a Hebrew slave right now. But I got pretty much every one of these mother lovers in. Those are the ones I replaced. They in there. Shit, dog. One more. That's right there. A little aneurysm off of it. It's in there though. Tired, boss. Straight up my no spot. That what that is. Fuck. More so.